Yes, this is Mr. Banty. Mr. Banty, hi, Mr. Banty. Hello. Hello, Mr. Banty. Yes, it's alright. It's alright. I'm gonna clean your cage, okay? It's okay, Mr. Banty. You're such a good boy. Oh no, I know you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Good boy, Mr. Banty. Yes. Yes, it's alright. It's alright. I'm gonna clean your house. Look, it's so messy. It's so messy, huh? Look, the seeds is everywhere. Seeds everywhere. And how about you? This guys, I'm gonna clean your cage, okay? Don't be grumpy.